What to expect from a personal injury lawyer consultation in New York? Have you been injured in an accident in New York? Are you considering hiring a personal injury lawyer but have no idea what to expect during your consultation? If so, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to break down everything you need to know about a personal injury lawyer consultation, a step by step, from what you should bring with you to how to prepare, what question to ask, and what the lawyer will be evaluating. We have got you covered. By the end of this video, you will feel confident and ready to take the next step in your case. Let's dive into it. And be sure to stick around until the end because we are going to give you some insider tip that could make a big difference in your case. Overview of personal injury lawyer and their role. Before we get into the specific of your consultation, let's take a quick moment to understand what a personal injury lawyer does. Personal injury lawyer are specialized in helping people who have been injured due to someone else's negligence, whether it is a car accident, slip and fall, medical malpractice, or another type of accident. These lawyers are here to fight for your right and help you get the compensation you deserve. So, why do you need a personal injury lawyer? Well, they are expert at navigating the legal system and dealing with insurance companies, which can be challenging and overwhelming. Their job is to make sure that you get fair compensation for your injuries, lost wages, and pain and suffering. But how do they do? It all starts with the consultation. What to expect when you walk into the consultation? Alright, so you have scheduled your consultation with a personal injury lawyer. Congratulations! What happened next? First thing first, it is important to know that personal injury consultations are usually free. That means you don't have to pay a fee just to talk to the lawyer about your case. In fact, most personal injury lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, meaning they only get paid if you win your case. Now, when you walk into the office, don't expect a formal, cold, or intimidating experience. Most personal injury lawyers strive to make you feel comfortable. They understand that this might be a stressful time for you and they want you to feel at ease. The consultation is your opportunity to learn about your legal option and decide if you want to move forward with the lawyer. What you should bring to your consultation. To make the most of your consultation, you will want to come prepared. Here is a list of documents and information that can help the lawyer assess your case. Accident report. If your accident was reported to the police, bring a copy of the police report. Medical records. Any documentation related to your injuries, such as doctor reports, X-ray, prescription, or bills. Insurance information. Your auto insurance detail or any insurance policy related to the accident And photos. If you took any photos of the accident scene, your injuries or property damage, bring those along. Witness information. Contact detail for any witness who saw the accident. And sixth is employment details. Documentation of time missed from work and lost wage if applicable. The more detail you can provide, the better. This will help the lawyer understand the full scope of your case and give you the best advice. What are the lawyer will do during the consultation? Once you sit down with the personal injury lawyer, they will usually start by asking you to explain the detail of your accident. They will want to know how did the accident happen, what injuries did you sustain, what medical treatment have you undergone, have you communicated with the insurance companies or other parties involved. Your lawyer will also ask for information regarding the accident scene, any witnesses, and any other relevant details that will help them assess whether you have a strong case. At this point, the lawyer will also be evaluating several key factors. First is liability. Was the other party at fault? And second is damage. What kind of compensation might you be entitled? And timeline. How long do you have to file a claim? And last is legal strength. What are the next steps? What question should you ask the lawyer? Now, this is important. This consultation is your chance to ask questions. So don't be shy. Here are a few essential questions you should ask your lawyer. What is your experience with case like mine? You will want to make sure the lawyer has experience in handling personal injury case similar to yours. And second is, what is your success rate? It is completely reasonable to ask about the lawyer's track record. How often do they win case? What kind of settlement have they secured for client? And third is, how do you charge for your service? Be sure to ask about fees, including whether they work on a contingency fee basis or if there are other costs you should be aware of. And fourth is, what do you charge for your service? Be sure to ask about fee, including whether they work on a contingency fee basis or if there are other costs you should be aware of. What is the expect timeline for my case? Personal injury case can take time. Ask about how long the process could take and what milestone you should expect. What is your strategy for handling my case? Get a sense of how the lawyer plans to approach your case, including whether they will try to settle or go to trial. How the lawyer will evaluate your case. At this point, the lawyer will take all the information you have provided and begin evaluating the merit of your case. They will consider factors like the severity of your injuries. If you have sustained long-term or permanent injuries, your case may be worth more. And liability. Who is at fault for the accident? Was it clear that the other party was negligent? And evidence. Is there a strong evidence to support your claims, such as witness testimony or surveillance footage? Insurance. How much insurance coverage is available to cover your damage? The lawyer will use this information to give you an idea of what your case might be worth and whether they believe it is worth pursuing. If they think you have a strong case, they will likely offer to represent you. The next step after the consultation. So, you have had your consultation. What happened next? If you and the lawyer decide to move forward, you will sign an agreement and the lawyer will start gathering more evidence, speaking with expert if necessary, and building your case. You will stay in communication throughout the process, and the lawyer will guide you every step of the way. If the lawyer feels that your case is not strong enough, they might recommend that you don't pursue a lawsuit. This can be disappointing, but it is important to know that a reputable lawyer will always be honest with you about the chance of success. Insider tip for a success consultation. Before we were up, here are a few insider tips to ensure your consultation goes as smoothly as possible. Be honest and thorough. The more detail you provide, the better the lawyer can assess your case. Take notes. It is easy to forget things, especially after a long meeting. Bring a notebook to jot down key points. Don't rush the decision. Take time to time your option. Choosing the right lawyer is a big decision. So now you know exactly what to expect during your personal injury lawyer consultation in New York. You will walk away better prepared and more confident in your ability to make the best decision for your case. Remember, this is your journey and your lawyer is there to help you recover every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more legal tips, and drop any question you have in the comment below. We will see in the next video.